Hello! Today we will create a diorama farm. Let's play and learn the names of animals. Look how beautiful and cute these animals are. The first thing we will do is to install a fence. Let's place the lake near the stable. Let's prepare a place for pigs. Here is the first inhabitant of our farm, Dioramas, a pig. Look how beautiful she is and looks like the real thing. And who is this? Mother pig with a piglet. It is so convenient for them to rush around in their pen. So the residents of our stable have arrived. Horses. Well, let's place them in the stalls. Let's put the brown ones on the right. Let's put the black horses on the left. We are a little tired from the road. We need to refresh ourselves with water. And we buy a white horse. That it was clean and well kept. Oh. The horses have also arrived. The foal will go to Dad. See how glad it is to be at home. This will be placed here. And we also buy this white one from the road. Cows, bulls, goats have arrived. Look at the goat. Goat's milk is extremely useful and tasty. The next inhabitants of our farm are a red bull and a brown buffalo. This is how they will live in the barn. Look what a brave bull. Oh, and mother cow, her milk is also useful for us. And their baby, a calf, nestled comfortably between a family of cows. The young foals have come to graze. They will graze and eat grass here on the meadow. Oh, and a worker brought them dry hay. And this is already food for adults. Let them taste ripe oats. We will give fresh grass to the cow family. I think they liked such a treat. Ducks and geese head to the lake. They will swim there and eat watercress and insects. What a wide-winged goose, it feels like it will fly right now. And the duck is so cute. Well, let's line up all the ducks and geese. And here are the residents of our unit. This is our llama mother. And here is her baby llama. Mother donkey, Anne. Dad is a donkey. And a baby donkey. And now a small herd of sheep. The oldest ram leader. And the sheep. And a couple of small lambs. Look how beautiful it turned out. How comfortable they are together. And chickens, roosters, and turkeys will live on our farm. Look how different and beautiful they all are. And the peacock also joins such a bird company. And this is our guard dog. He is supposed to protect the farm from wild animals and inform about foreigners who have visited our territory. And these are little puppies, they will also live and grow here. Someone is hiding behind the stable, it's a fox. But so that she does not steal our chickens, because the dog will protect them and drive away the fox. The little bird also likes to eat grains. Let him eat, all will be enough. Femmer brought some fresh hay for our bulls, let them enjoy. And here are seeds for our flock of birds. And now we feed the animals in the fence, we will give them fresh grass. Look what a realistic and beautiful farm we got. I'm excited, and you? That's it for today, see you soon.